This BLACK+DECKER tabletop purifier uses a three-stage system with a true HEPA layer to trap very fine particles, which makes a noticeable difference for allergy and asthma sufferers in everyday use. It can cycle the air multiple times per hour in a room of roughly 435 square feet, so it suits bedrooms, home offices, and living areas without feeling underpowered. The combination of pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter not only cuts down dust and pet dander, but also helps reduce lingering cooking smells and smoke odors over time. Touch-sensitive controls, several fan speeds, and a quiet sleep mode make it easy to tailor the purifier to daytime activity or overnight use without distracting noise. An automatic timer, child lock, and filter replacement reminder simplify maintenance and safety, so you are less likely to forget about upkeep or have settings changed accidentally. Its compact, clean-looking design and energy-efficient performance let it sit comfortably on a desk or nightstand while running for long periods without drawing much attention.